$3,000 is kept in the bank that gives 5% interest per annum. Now the question is, how much will be the amount in 10 years if the interest is paid quarterly or and also paid monthly. So we have to find what will it be if it is quarterly and what will it be if it is monthly. So both quarterly and monthly both, and in 10 years what will be the total amount. So the interest 5% is per annum. So if it is quarterly, we can see that there will be because quarterly is in 3 months, that means in 1 year there will be 4 quarterly payment, 4 payments actually when it's quarterly. So we have to find the interest when it is paid quarterly, and that will be 5% divided by 4 in terms of percentage, so that will be 1.25. so in terms of decimal it will be 0.125, like that. So when it is coming, what is the amount in 10 years? So basically let's call the amount to be P, the principal amount, which in this case is $3,000, and the amount that will be in the bank after first payment of the interest, that will be P1 plus R, if R is the interest rate, which is 0.0125 in this case. So this is after first, and when it will be the second, this whole thing will be the principal amount. So this one times 1 plus R, so it will be P1 plus R square. Similarly, when it will be third installment, that will be P1 plus R square, because this 1 plus R whole square, this will be the principal amount and the interest, so that will become now P1 plus R whole cube, so that is third. So similarly, when it is nth payment, the amount will be, after nth payment, the amount will be like that. So in 10 years, if the amount is paid quarterly, the interest is paid quarterly, in 10 years there will be, in 1 year there will be 4 payments, in 10 years there will be 4 times 10, that will be 40 payments. So the amount that will be after 10 years, so amount after 10 years will be, if we call it A10, that will be P1 plus R, and this will be 40 here because there are 40 quarterly payments. So AP is 3000, and this one is 1.1025 to the power 40, and this one becomes $4930.86. So that will be the amount after 10 years if the interest is paid quarterly. Now we have to find what will be the amount if the interest is paid monthly instead of quarterly. So when it's monthly, there are 12 payments in a year. So there will be in total 12 in 1 year, and in 10 years there will be 120 payments. So in this case, if this is monthly, I don't know what to write there, maybe just A. So if it is monthly, then it will have 120 payments. So it will be P will be 3000, and this will be the same thing, 1.025 to the power 120. So basically the power is only changing because the number of interest payment is increasing more. So it will be now 4941 because it is bit high because of the power, higher power, and that is $4941.03. So this one was just $11, a little bit more than $11, actually less than $11, just 10 point something dollars more with the monthly payment we are seeing. And if it were quarterly, it would be just a little less.